In this video, I'll show you how to send disappearing messages on WhatsApp. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open WhatsApp on your phone, then you're going to go to the chat where you want to send disappearing messages. Then you're going to tap on the contact's name and you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see the option that says disappearing messages. Then you can select for how long you want the messages to stay on the chat. You can select 24 hours, 7 days, or 90 days. Once you enable the option that you want, any new messages will disappear after the selected time. In this case, after 7 days, all the messages that I send to this person will be automatically deleted. Hope that helps.